Hi guys, so today I want to come on and do an unboxing of some Rothy's that I got in the mail. So I'm sure you guys have heard about Rothy's. They're like a super popular brand on social media. They're like kind of similar to another brand called Allbirds. They're kind of like these new companies that are focused on like sustainability and like things of that nature. Like I know Rothy's are made from recycled plastic bottles and like it's eco-friendly and like all that good stuff. So that's always exciting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So they come in the mail like this, and it has like the company signage on it. It says Rothy's at the top, and it looks just like that. And then there's like a little untie that you zip to go ahead and open up your box. Now what I will say is I'm not a fan of companies who send the shoe in a box that's the shoe box. Like I want my shoes to come inside of a shoe box instead of in another box. I don't know if that's like a weird quirk of mine, but like I don't know if it's like a, I guess you wouldn't say it's being cheap. It's probably more eco-friendly, but it's just like a personal pet peeve of mine for whatever reason. But anyway, so you open up the box. It looks just like this. So you have like the nice, really thick tissue paper, and on the inside of the box, it has like the company's mission statement, all that good stuff. Looks like their three main things are that it's recyclable, versatile, and washable. So it says, "We're so glad you chose the goodness of Rothy's. Together, we've saved over 35 million water bottles from winding up in landfills. Let's keep bettering the planet and looking great doing it." So that's pretty cool. I mean, there's nothing better than buying an item that like promotes sustainability and like saving the environment, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the shoes I got. So I got this, which is called the sneaker, and I got them in the nude color. So my main reason really for buying these shoes was I have a pair of Vans, the classic slip-on style, that I'm like obsessed with. I actually have them here so I can show you like how beat up they are. So this is like my original pair of classic Vans, and I wore these shoes to death. Last summer, I literally wore them all the time to the point where that's why they look like so dirty. But anyway, I just love the style of them. I love that you can just like slip them on and go. But my only thing about the Vans is that they aren't that comfortable. So I've been like on the market to look for a new slip-on sneaker that's a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more like a little bit more polished looking. It's not that I don't think Vans are like polished looking, but I just feel like they're more of like a casual style. Like I feel like with these I could dress them up or down. I also feel like the nude color is also a big contributing factor to why I think they're a bit more versatile. So as soon as I got these in the mail, obviously I busted them open. I was super excited, and I wanted to try them on to see if they were comfortable, if they were just okay, because sometimes when you buy from brands that have like a really big social media following, sometimes it's hard to tell if people are being genuine with it or if it's kind of like a hype beast situation. So I busted these open, and no joke, they feel like you are walking on clouds. They're so comfortable. They move with your foot. They have great breathability. Like I was honestly blown away. Um, and like the quality is so good that honestly I feel like I'm not sure if I would wear this shoe with no socks, or if I did wear a sock it'd be like with a no-show sock, but they're that comfortable that I feel like I could get away with no sock and not worry about having blisters. And that's like, oh, I mean that's like the biggest one, because I feel like everyone has had a pair of shoes that you have to go through the break-in period and you have blisters and you like, it's just not fun. So if I can avoid that, I'm all for it. So like I said, they were super comfortable, and I'm really excited to wear them as we're going into like the spring and summer thing. They just feel so lightweight. It doesn't really feel like, I mean obviously it feels like I have shoes on, but it doesn't feel like I have this heavy shoe on that's like gonna make my feet sweat. Like they're so light, they're so airy, they're so breathable, like they're so good. Let's see. Also, another really big drawing factor to me with these is like I was a little bit hesitant since I got this nude color and they're very light. Like you never know if you'd spill on them and maybe like jean dye would get on them or something like that. But a big feature of the Rothy's is that you can actually put them in the washing machine and wash them. Now I know like back in the day we've all like tossed a pair of sneakers in the washing machine, like no big deal, but I've had a couple of instances where like I washed a sneaker and like the sole shrunk, or like the material got snagged, or weird stuff like that. So the fact that I can pop these in the wash machine kind of gives me more comfort with it, because again, if I spill on it or I just feel like they need to be refreshed looking, I can just pop them in the wash machine and let them air dry and they'd be good to go. So another thing I want to talk about with the Rothy's is the price. They are not the cheapest slide-on sneaker. For example, my Van slide-on slip-ons that I actually showed you guys earlier, I think those retail for maybe about somewhere between 60 to 70 bucks. Those Vans are like a pretty affordable sneaker, but the Rothy's actually retail for $125, which to some might be a bit expensive for a slip-on sneaker, but as I've gotten older, I'm like very into the whole quality over quantity situation, and I'm okay with spending $125 for a shoe that I feel like is gonna hold up for more than one season and I'm gonna get good use out of. So I wasn't too uncomfortable with spending $125, especially these days where like if you're into sneakers and you wear like Vapor Maxes or Ultra Boosts or anything like that, like those are gonna run you like $180. So I feel like, I mean, it sucks to say this, but I feel like I've gotten used to spending a bit more for like sneakers and shoes and like things like that. But I will say a cool thing that Rothy's does is they do have a referral program. So if you do have a friend or anyone who's ever bought from Rothy's, they can send you their referral code and you get $20 off and they also get $20 off for the next order, which is really cool. So one of my really good friends actually had recently bought some Rothy's and she like loved them, and she's also kind of one of the reasons why I was like, maybe I should try out this brand. So I sent her a text message and I was like, hey, like, would you mind sending me a referral code? She's like, no girl, I got you. And she sent me over her code. So I used it. So I got $20 off my order and she got $20 off for her next order for some Rothy's, which is cool. So after applying the promo code, I think these came to a total of $105. I live in New Jersey, so I don't pay any taxes on clothing or shoes, which is cool. And they also offer free shipping. So all in all, 105 bucks is not bad for a pair of shoes that I feel like can go with anything. I can dress them up or down. I'd wear them with like jeans or, you know, dresses or skirts or like whatever. I think I'm going to get my most use out of these wearing them to work. I commute to work. I work in New York, so I'm on the subway, I'm on the train, I'm walking a couple blocks to get to work. So I'm really excited to be able to wear these to work and then, you know, be able to wear them to like happy hour and things like that, because I feel like they're that good looking of a shoe that I just feel like I can take them from day to night, in my personal opinion. So yeah, so I think that's gonna conclude my unboxing, first impressions of my Rothy's nude sneaker. If you have any questions about like quality or fit issues or any concerns, leave me a comment and I'll try to get to it. And thanks guys for watching. Bye.